Gary, shall he swell up? He swell up automatically. He swell up.
Dad, what you going to do this morning?
Huh?
What you going to do this morning?
We eat. This guy, where is she now? Then before house, now I want drink. So in this case, we could have go inside.
We not go.
Eh? If I supply back and go, she start, go see Papa die. Go inside.
We not go. If one die. Finish him, die.
I should die if I won't die. Don't go down, Mama go die. I'll go inside.
You didn't shit, die.
She be shit on you. Yeah, you want to say like your mother. Go inside, come over my front.
We not come out.
Okay, this guy, now look at the inside.
We go drink.
What's the one? If you put that if I supply back hand, go
Stop
start.
me now.
Hey, someone. What's
What's your apple?
She said, someone. What's your hand? Hey, someone. Hey.
Lay down for them now.
What is that?
You don't leave her.
Won't kill me.
Leave her.
You won't kill me.
Leave her. Yes. You don't leave her for them.
You show my Gary?
Yeah, which Gary?
You show my Gary?
Which Gary?
Huh?
Which Gary? You know what drink her. You know
Hey.
what drink her. Useless man. You
Because
know the
you said she's there.
Let's
show my Gary.
Now children not be useless. Now you be useless.
I will show today.
Now you useless.
I shot that today go finish.
God bless her. Who buy the
That
Gary?
go finish.
Who buy the Gary?
That today go finish.
Who buy let it go finish today.
That today go finish.
Let it go finish today.
Today I go pack them go mother's baby. Mother's baby.
They're not going to go anywhere.
I shall carry the mother's baby.
They're not going to go anywhere.
Today I'm carrying the
I
mother's
said
baby.
they're not going to go anywhere. Go inside.
It's away.
Go inside. Go inside.
So what's for this student?
Find out for
What's for them?
Find out for
What's for them?
You where you not be provide food for us. You not be do anything. You not get work. Then the Gary where I buy for us again, you carry am. Pikin never eat his money. You sit down. You drink Gary. And you say that they no touch am.
This thing what you do.
Waiting.
I go show you where.
You like I tell you. Not be my own pikin. You go carry go mother.
I say mother's baby.
Fatherless baby. You go carry because for you to get blessed. Are you being where you dey like?
I'm telling the mother's baby. Useless woman.
No, welcome, Auntie Clara.
Who show up all this scatter?
Thank you. That's why I see him. See this man. He no get any work where they do. Now me they feed that, now me they cut him, now me they do everything for house. Make man just there like this, make he no get any work where they do. And the Gary where I come by for house again, he carry him, he put her for water. They drink him. Now the children call, they say they want drink. He say no.
Ishiba, I swear to God, I don't yesterday night. I swear to God, I don't yesterday night. I don't even show wake up. I don't plan to kill him. Useless woman. I don't eat this morning. I don't eat yesterday night.
You don't do. This scatter where they for your house. Now you dey cause am. Why you not go look for work? See work full everywhere, berekete for town. See as you get strong, you get body like this. Plenty work full for town. You no want find job. You no want do anything. Now you dey cause trouble for your house, so why man go their house, you no go get work?
I found I don't work.
See how talk it today, they find strong person like you, make you come work for them.
Took it.
Yes. If you go there today, you get job. Make you go there, make you go find out. You go there your house, say you go see work.
I don't know.
All these fights, I don't want meet her next time.
Show work today.
All this problem for your house, you go stop.
If I get work,
kata, you go finish.
you see.
I don't want to call you next time. I come see fight again.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
So when you run,
I don't like to fight. She don't want to fight. She my food now. She my food. She my food now.
Thank you.
I don't want to see any problem next time again.
Thank you, good neighbor.
Make you go there.
Thank you, good neighbor. God bless. Thank you, good neighbor. Thank you, good neighbor. If you don't be share, she come now. I should have be shaking.
Nothing where you feel do for me. Yeah? God bless ma.
You can't have to children when I want to kill me for this house. You actually want to kill me for this house.
That's smart. So, if you not find any work do, you go see where you go take your eyes. See you.
Hello there. Please, can you come and open the gate? We are outside.
Oh, you are the gate.
All right. Good.
Yeah. Sweetie, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, what happened? You look boring. Talk to me now. Talk to me. What's the problem?
Why shouldn't I? Why shouldn't I? I've told you you should get a new gate man now that will work for you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll get a gate man.
I'm doing something inside and you want me to come and open door.
It's okay.
Wow,
We really need a gate man. It's okay. Please, it's okay. Let's
driver.
Where's driver?
Please stop.
I'm sorry. Women. Gate man. Okay. It's okay.
Namio. Yes. How are you? I didn't buy it. I'm police here.
Yes.
They look for security.
We need the security. Are you a security?
Yes, I'm a security.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm a security.
You? Can you do a security?
Seriously, I'm a security.
Okay. No, that means you are very lucky then.
I'm lucky.
Yes, because our guy is inside. Yeah. You are lucky.
I'm a lucky one. I'm a good luck.
So you can sit down.
Okay. Let me inform you. Okay.
All is well.
Yes, sir.
What's the problem?
I just saw one man say he's looking for security work.
Oh, that's interesting. Security work?
Yes.
But how do you assess him? Is he strong and agile?
Oga, the man is a very good man.
Please.
He's an elderly man.
Wow, that one man will bring him.
Yes, sir.
That's good. I think my wife will be more comfortable now. Happy.
Yes, sir. This is the man, sir.
You are welcome.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What's your name?
I'm Dagus.
Dagus.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you are not too old for this job?
Yes, I'm not old.
You are sure?
I'm a security.
Are you strong to this?
I'm sure. See me. I'm strong, and I've been to security before.
You have worked before as well?
Yes, I'm a security man.
Okay, yeah, I'm coming. Sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Yes, darling.
Please, where are you?
Darling, what's happening?
Come on, Alice, just give me now.
Stand up and sit down.
I'm okay, sir. I'm okay, sir.
Sweetheart, he said he wants a security jet.
Security job.
Security.
Yes, I'm a security man.
Oh, no. This old man.
Yes, sir. I can do it, man.
No.
I'm very, very experienced.
Are you sure you can do it?
Yes.
No.
I'm experienced, man.
I guess we should just try it.
Okay. You know I like old man.
All right.
Who employ you?
But I will tell you the amount,
Okay,
the
sir.
salary.
Okay, sir.
If you are okay with it, you resume work immediately.
Okay, sir.
We're gonna pay you the sum of 40,000.
40,000.
Yeah, 40,000.
40,000. 40,000.
I need to make it 50,000.
Oh, sweetie. Okay, we'll make it 45.
40,000.
Yes,
From
45.
40 to 45.
45 now.
Automatic promotion. I will do a sharing job. I will do very, very excellent. Okay, I will do security. My security, if I shoot like this, I get one medicine. If anybody come, I don't want to enter this house, you don't enter.
You mean it?
Yes! I'll just put it on the gate. That's sure that they will date daybreak.
How do you not kill us?
Just for protection.
So that this kind of insecurity in this nation, we need people like this.
Yes!
Actually.
Yes!
Alright, we employ you.
Thank you, sir.
We employ you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, apart from that, you know, we are going to be feeding you. Morning, afternoon, evening, free. You eat here.
Food?
We will be giving you food.
Yeah. Esha, you know what food, Sha? I need sure Eba. Eba, when sure where? And
No, that is not a problem. Yes.
Thank you, Sha. What are you doing for house show?
Who is it?
My wife, their house.
No problem. You can take food for her.
You know better for me.
Let me take your part. You can. Guys, driver. Sir, please come in.
Okay, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, this man, Mr. Dagus, from today he has been employed as the security stroke gate man.
Yes, I'm a chief security now.
Yes. So you take him around the house, outside there, show him the duty post.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Sha. I'm grateful, Sha. I'm grateful, Sha. God will bless you, madam. God will bless you. I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
You look funny.
I like you, man. I like
You look funny.
you.
That's
So,
nice. That's nice.
what is the
Look
latest?
at the latest information. There's another bomb explosion in Canada.
What? Daddy. I'm even about to come and tell you to go and pick those keys from school.
Oh, actually, yes, that's true.
So
That's
I'll
true.
be upstairs.
All right. Get set also.
If patient is too much, person go turn to mumu. I don't tire. Make man day, make him no get any work wey dey do for him life. Na to just sleep from one house to another. Make him dey beg for food every corner. Since all this year, I don't tire.
Julie, what's happened? Why?
Wetin no happen? Wetin no happen? Me, I don't tire.
Where are you going? Why are you going?
You dey ask me. I don't tire for this suffer.
Eh?
Yes.
That's what?
I don't tire for all this suffer. You no fit work, you no fit do anything. Na me only go dey do everything. If not be the thing wey my brother buy for me, where I dey take sell water, but we are for see food, where I go dey chop.
My God.
Yes. I go pack my children, go give my sister.
Julie?
Yes.
After I don't better?
Better.
Yes. And she will not go anywhere.
Na so you dey talk. Your mouth too sweet. You don't see work. Na today you dey tell me say you see.
No, I don't show up now. As a
Na so
chief
you dey
security. I say I'm
Na
she
so
work.
you dey talk.
I'm now a workman.
They make
A
man.
chief security. Yes.
You.
Hey, see, Julie, I beg you. I take God beg you. I take my mama beg you for a letter of big care. I take Toby Electronic beg you. I take Shodomo to beg you. I take Glass to beg you. Please, I beg you. You know better? Don't go anywhere. Don't go, please, yo. Don't go anywhere. I don't get work.
Look, that all this one when you dey talk, e no new to me. Yes, all this one wey you dey do, e no new to me. But the only thing be say, because of all those people wey you mention their name, I respect them well. Because since na dem dey tell me say, make I dey take patient. You for don't know say I no dey again. But now make you find work.
I will find work. I don't see work.
I don't
Juliana ma se koko. Juliana ma se koko. Gbogbo àtàntì ń bá bọ̀ wá. Bí wọ́n kọ́ ẹ máa ṣe gbẹ̀kọ́. Ìdíwọ̀lẹ̀ kò jẹun ọkọ. Ìdíwọ̀lẹ̀ kò. Juju. Lily.
No, if not the same because of people where you talk now. Because I too much.
So you don't tire, won't go.
Yes, so I no go tire.
Let's go shine.
I no go tire.
Juliana ma se koko.
They do everything.
Juliana ma se
Don't dey
koko.
there.
Gbogbo àtàntì ń bá bọ̀ wá. Bí wọ́n kọ́ ẹ máa ṣe gbẹ̀kọ́. Ìdíwọ̀lẹ̀ kò jẹun ọkọ. Ìdíwọ̀lẹ̀ kò jẹun ọkọ.
Suwagamudi enya, where Suwagamudi is Where the so again is your and then make another move. Where the so again so much I think I have to surprise this man. Yes. Give me food and
Okay,
I want to see you.
Okay, ma. Yes, ma. Wait a minute. Yes, ma. This for me. This for me. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
So when you finish,
yes, ma.
see me later. I still have another surprise.
Ah, another surprise. Thank you, ma. Ah, God, thank you. Hear me now. Ah, should I enjoy? Yes. About God, I thank you very much. I thank you very much. Ah! Hey. Allah. Baga. I'm sorry, sir.
How will you keep us outside waiting since?
It was keep over, sir.
What if somebody is pursuing you?
Yes, I'm trying to stop him. If I open quick, he pursue you, enter. Everything was scatter. So I have to wait. If you pursue come, I stop him and kill him outside.
See, next time you do that again, I will sack you.
Yes, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. It was squeezing, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry, sir.
Go back to your people.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Akbayi? Akbayi?
Dagus. I know say
Akbayi, my friend. How are you?
As you dey knock, I know say na Dagus.
I think you know around.
They make you dey take time on this iron door, you know struggle.
Man, do the permission.
Okay.
Akbayi? Let me the judge.
The judge.
Let me tell about God.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't get job.
Job.
I can't get job.
God, I tell you, but Dagus.
Dagus go by Ejo. Dagus go by Ejo. Dagus go by Ejo. Congratulations, Dagus go by Ejo. Akbayi.
Thank God, though.
I don't get job.
You don't get job.
Yes. 45,000 naira salary.
Whoa. 45,000.
45,000 naira salary.
Ba? For a month.
Yes. Security man.
45,000.
Yes. What are you saying?
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Yes, sir.
How today?
Welcome.
Where there?
Where there?
Yes, ma.
I hear say una dey gist. So
I
na.
get your place.
Ọmọdé yà fọ́.
I don't get job.
You mean you don't get job?
Yes.
40 kini?
45,000 naira salary.
Omori ya
Thank you,
be.
Thank you.
Thank you, God bless you,
I'm
Daddy.
happy for you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Hey.
I be security man now for big man house.
Hey, God.
Yes.
Security.
Security.
Hey, God forbid bad thing.
Eh? What happened? What happened?
That was.
What happened?
That rejoice, where I rejoice, you go give me back.
What happened?
So now security. Now you make me the rejoice, the thank God, the praise God.
Not be work.
Security.
Not be work.
Let's
God
man, my
forbid.
husband.
Bam.
Your friend saying don't get work.
Out of you, Oduduwa job, security job.
You don't go look for job.
God forbid bad thing. Bam, not be me. For security job, everybody where they this time knows they look for better job. No be this kind job.
You are here making mouth to. You know go find work to do. When is calling one man?
You where they like this, you no go look for job.
Eh? Now I go look for job. Are you not a man?
Yes. Yes.
Woman, I know they get work. You know say woman get the commissioner, you get the governor where they do woman where they do governor for a state.
Listen to me. If I'm time for this area now, they'll say we don't get work. If you say that you are a first suspect. You are the first suspect.
Me?
Yes.
God
If it's not police case, you are the first suspect. Who don't get work on the station, they'll carry you go police station.
Bam. No be
So in this case, find work.
God bless you.
Thank you, madam.
For this good advice you are giving.
I don't tell him. Shoot me now. I'm a work. I don't get work now.
He's a lazy man. I manage Mariam. Me manage.
Why you manage?
Wait.
Hey, chief.
You the manager.
I'm going to my work. I'm going to my work. So, you.
Dagus, wait, make I cry for you.
Cry for yourself.
Because any day where you die, I no go cry again.
Cry for yourself.
Hey! Dagus, you don't die.
Hey!
Dagus,
That was it.
Dagus, you know say as you dey go for security job. If armed robber come there, bam, the first target now.
Now who?
Na Dagus.
No. Let me get the money.
Dagus.
It's no, I don't want it. No come back for me. No book all shit. Let me finish for you. Then they go kill. No do it.
Dagus.
Bansha. Come on.
Greet
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you.
As you dey go, make you dey take time, oh. Make you dey take.
Hey. Useless husband. If I cook finish, you don't mind here, you go the pack and eat. Do. He don't get work. Lazy husband.
Me?
Yes.
To me, lazy man. As you dey talk, if I bring money come house, na so you dey chop, you come belle food. No be you.
Na so you
Wetin you know?
When is calling one man? Don't be me there. Oh.
Omi e can win.
Yeah.
Omi go ahead to tell me no. Don't tell me nonsense. So if you tell me nonsense, if I don't kill you, God for
you kill.
I swear. I swear.
Me. Okay. If I won't deal with you, I know my car. He trace you go just vanish. But I no go get your
Me go vanish.
Enter inside.
Oh,
I will show you what my name. I go show you say I may be real and have me.
Don't tear my cloth. If you tear this cloth now, me and you go. I go. If I don't vanish you, God punish me.
If I tear your cloth, I know tear yourself. You know thank God. Now you, now your body I will tear today.
Omi.
Follow me.
Make una come see. I want to kill 4 people for inside though.
You go follow me, or you no go follow me.
Follow you? If I not follow you.
Sasa.
If I follow you, I go kill you inside though. I say I go kill you inside though. Okay. If I not kill you inside,
One way.
I go kill you inside.
One way.
I'm not a ghost. Yes, I'm a nightman.
Nightman.
Rise up.
You want
to die?
Yeah, no.
Look out.
I'm sorry,
You want to die?
No.
Stand up. Take me to your other room. Your other room.
My God.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't sit down.
All right. Move. 1, 2.
What's that?
Yes. Let's go.
It's inside. Okay, sir. It's inside.
Yeah, let's go.
It's inside. I will take you. It's inside. No shoot more. No shoot more. It's inside. No shoot more. Don't be me. Don't be me, Boga. Don't be me, Boga. No shoot more. It's inside. No shoot more. No shoot more. No shoot more. It's inside. Yes, it's inside. It's inside. Yes. It's inside. No. It's inside. It's inside. No. It don't shoot up. Yes, I'm sorry, sir.
No, she's inside. I'm not inside. She's inside. Come this way. Lie down. She's inside. You know. Lie down. She's inside. Out. No. Just stop. Keep quiet. Don't shoot that. Yeah, just face. Don't shoot that. Face the floor. Don't shoot that. Don't shoot that. Don't shoot that. Yes. Don't shoot that. Don't shoot that. Get quiet. Don't shoot that. Sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Yes, darling.
Come over.
Don't shoot that. Don't shoot that. Don't shoot that.
You see? See someone that calls himself this.
Don't shoot that.
Stand up. Stand up. Can you see how stupid you are? Online lighter. For lighter in the kitchen.
Okay? Yeah, no. I try to keep. I think she, no, say you. That's I don't.
Keep back my face. You never know. Look at you that you are.
No, please. Let me handle this.
I'm disappointed.
If you say you be real security, let me say that real arm robber.
No, kill all of us.
So that's why if you can't show my room for that. See, before I count 1, 2, 3.
Yes, man. I will make sure.
I'm losing my
Oh, yeah, pack your load.
I will phone. I'll phone sir.
Go.
I'll phone sir. I'll phone sir.
You still afraid of the toy? Move on. You still afraid of the toy?
I'll phone sir. I will phone sir. I told him.
He's a fool. So, if he's a criminal, doesn't mean you're like him. Oh, like a toy lighter in the kitchen. Very, very funny. Guys. Thank God, we will go and do another person. We get another person.
Yeah, I don't even need anybody. Somebody that will lead to my husband.
Hey, well done. You're welcome.
Hey,
we're fine. Yeah, come. Well done. I should look fresh.
Thank you.
Please show them guys.
Thank you.
Yeah?
I see like this.
Yeah?
Thank you very much.
What are you saying? Yeah? Now, wow.
Where's my children now?
We are all fine.
They're fine.
I hope you carry $1 come for me. What are we? I hope you carry $1 come. You carry $1 come. Hey, you
Hello, you're funny.
You're welcome.
No, they talk to you.
I do.
No, we go talk.
Don't talk like that, too.
What's your problem?
No, but it's a problem there. Tell her the thing where you tell me.
In-law, the thing why I say make I beg you. Now that house, when my husband died, leave for me. That one wait there for Awada. The boys.
That's a house.
Thank you, sir. The boys, where they there, they know they give me my house rent.
What's happened?
I'm telling you.
The one in the house for one?
They are all their this thing, their house rent don't do, but they no agree give me money.
So what you can do? No carry bush, go scatter them.
That's why I said let me meet my in-law so that I want to hand the house over to you. So that you will be the caretaker.
Caretaker?
Yes.
You get shares?
You will be.
So you get shares?
You don't come.
You get shares, yo. No, it's true. No one thing. It's true, Shay. As a woman, no one respect you.
Yes.
Yes. They don't say the woman get power.
That is what I see, yes.
If you look women for this our country, look at Dora Kunyele.
Yeah.
When she was in Knockback. Yeah. She did strong. Na kakaraka woman. All the medicine, they kill her away for road. So if a woman there for power, they're supposed to show woman.
Yes.
That woman work. So in this case, I will help you.
Okay.
I will help you very well. If that one, leave everything for me. I will do the work as my work.
All right.
Yes, you're my in-law.
I trust
you.
you.
Anything belong to me.
I trust
you. So no worry.
Yes.
I will do the work as my work. No worry.
Thank you, sir. I'm grateful.
Don't worry.
No
So when I'm going to see the house?
The house? Let's go.
So you tell the say this is not caretaker.
Yeah,
good
okay.
like that.
So that if I go there.
I'm very grateful, my sister.
No
Let
problem.
me go and show him the
No problem.
When they see my in-law with his stature, at least.
Make us to come. You are supposed to be this one?
Yes, my in-law.
My God, no, when I'm gay. People when she know people when I'm gay. Make them call Shimoto from my house. Make them call Shimoto from my house. When she have done that? Hey, where are those there? Where call Shimoto? Where Calabash? Where call Shimoto? Show to show. No communication. Shimoto. Not all shadow people. She people don't come my house, show. So where we go? Moto. She moto from my house.
No, not that side. The other side.
Which side? Now here. Okay, teacher, that's why I go enter. Now the she so. She moto. She moto from my house. She moto from my house. Hey. She me another moto.
Sister, please take care of children for me.
No problem. All right. Easy, bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo.
I don't go. Now the she me so. I don't go. She moto from my house, yo. I don't go. Now the she me. Yes, I enter moto. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, yo.
Bye-bye.
No better. Give me she moto.
It's
When
mine.
I tell me the fucking me, I know people, she moto car. I know people, moto car. Now they see me, sir. Now they see me. I know people. Now they see me.
Do you want to open studios or is your churches need musical instruments? Have you heard about Rega International Musical World as the funny flyer? Our present schools, Pro JBS speaker, Model 60725, Expos, cover speaker, power amplifier, power mixer, sound card and equalizer, Yamaha keyboard with different models, drum set, conga drum, microphone and different generators. Visit us for more inquiry. Rega International Musical World, home of musical instruments, electrical set, electronic set, generator set and accessory, importer and exporter supplier of general goods. Address: Assembly of God, Shopping Plaza, opposite Specialist Hospital Lokoja, or number 125, New Market Road, Gideon Ramatu Plaza, Lokoja, Kogi State. Phone call 080-3689-6076 or 070-9050-8899, 080-9710-9675 or 070-487014. Rega International, you are the best.
Where you get to saw this one?
I did now. No be thing, no go as a trade for.
Why it is no good for you? Where Dagus, your friend? I for say make I come meet you now. Go let me beg Dagus. The way this Dagus they do now is the new caretaker for our house.
New waiting.
Caretaker for our house.
Wow.
Just let me beg him. Beg him now. Make it just a patient. Next week they go pay us. Dagus say next tomorrow.
Hey.
He say next tomorrow if I no pay, he go throw away all my load outside. This way they make me fear to say as water they carry every person load now. Nowhere you there for the country now. If you throw away my property for outside, water can't carry am.
Hey,
I go find another one. I buy.
Hey,
please.
I die.
Just help me.
I die. Wait, that one where they talk, you don't be old story. I know they that one again. No be me and Dagus. Hey,
Umeka,
what you talk? So you know here.
You and Dagus, you not be 5 and 6 now.
They tikuna ke tego. See, Dagus, where they talk, you don't tell where me I will set my eyes on him. Hey, Dagus, no be Dagus again. Me and him, we don't be rat and cat.
Cat and rat.
I don't know I'm again. Since you don't get money, bam, Dagus don't disappear. You don't disappear from my eye.
Now you say that will give back to everybody.
I swear.
I am telling
you.
you.
I'm able to surprise this new story where you can't give me sex. So Dagus, they can't give one caretaker.
I say na caretaker for our house now. If you see Dagus now, you know the chop waiting human being the chop again.
Oh?
Because if the chop waiting human being the chop, if for the reason like waiting human being the reason.
Hey.
I don't die for this world. Hi! This man will be say the time way better for me. If I can't visit her, now straight to him bedroom. In fact, we enter the same bed with I can stay for outside. Hey, my friend, oh my brother.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Oga, it's not good though. Not beside the sick, but it's not good. Nothing is good for me, oh. Before say they better for money, afternoon bad, evening good. But now morning, afternoon, evening. Na bad, in fact, na bad. Small time when I go contribute money, carry my dead body go home. Oh. Believe me, the one way I did, I don't good though. Hey, I don't near my grave, oh.
What's wrong now?
Hey, it is this our caretaker. That new caretaker is a very bad man. Anytime he's coming, his eyes will be bringing fire. Fire. I don't know if the Holy Ghost is from his eyes. Caretaker is on us now. He has descended on us like Mount Everest. We are for our head.
You felt with him?
That giant, whereby me when they find something to chop, what I go get power to find that man. And the man has given, he said, now and next tomorrow, if we not paying, go pack my load outside. Hey.
You see now? And you don't have money.
Where is the money?
You see now?
Where is the money? I don't die, oh.
And me, I don't money now. Since 7 months now, you're not paid.
7 months, no salary.
Every now and then, screening.
This government.
Every day, screening.
Okay, but it's not your salary.
Look at it. Look at it. I can't buy food like your this.
Wow, I don't die.
How is it?
No be say I will not get money, but the way they call increase this our house rent thing, plus the 419 will go dupe me. Now it cause my problem. Hey.
Sorry, dude. Okay, do it. Thank you. You can go, Sorry,
Not beside the sick, but I don't get money. This sorry don't give me anything. You are even locking the door. It's terrible. I am telling you, it's terrible. The life is so terrible. If you think say now you dey see pass, you go see person wey dey see pass you. My friend Anaka, the time he explained his own problem, believe me, I forget my own. He said for the past 7 months they are not paid. And this caretaker, this new caretaker, the way his eyes used to shine as if they light it with red amber. In fact, I don't know where I'm going to find money for this man.
So, as you go there, you don't get anything?
I don't get anything. Where are you going now?
As I don't get, myself go my sister place. I said if you bring that money, myself, I could bring my own money together. Once you give the man.
Okay. Anytime you go to your sister, I forsake you to dress like a Ibra person. Since I married you from their place, you now belongs to me. Now my own property complete from head to toe. Oh, you are so sure.
Hey.
I had them high corona again. Me, I come out of town.
I don't know.
Hey, you count my cam. May I come out of town? I said, we are the Mazo called the Marmatin Jacket video. They me die video. Oh, you go stay long there. Have you finished speaking your language? Now I have finished speaking my language. No, man.
Okay. If this man, no one does the food with that, not you know, every no, you can't.
Ya Canada come. Why can't do come? Kakura de Makakuram. Sikiam, do my key.
That's your key, I beg.
Tell your sister to give you money. My brother cannot find me any money.
Your brother cannot find you money.
Tell your sister. Yes, and this is the time where the thing they good for us. She they come here lick soup now.
You know what says the carrier?
I mean, and down and bang you know. Balatu. And down and bang you night. The time where your sister they come here, they lick our soup. Now we don't get money. Tell her to give us money. I am telling you. My cow. After all, my sister said I should not marry you. Now that you are speaking your language, the day I will understand your language, I will use it to sing upon you. I can't even know. Do I know? Education plus beauty minus cross is equal to fire, is a fire, is a fire. Education plus beauty minus cross is equal to fire, say fire.
Where you they go?
I want to see Abiodun Moshish. Abiodun Moshish. That one from here, but where she local government? From Okere?
Oh, that's nice man.
You're very nice man. Very nice man. She make us 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Yes.
She 6 o'clock. She's a timekeeper.
Yes, not true.
You don't. It's not African time. She call 7. Call 7 we go share. Call 6. Now 6 o'clock.
I trust him.
So not the provision fail.
Now what you say make you can't do?
She won't buy motor for me. Motor car.
Motor car.
Yes. Motor car.
Hey.
Drive your motor car. If you want to go to school, please carry me. Pay, pa.
Dagus. Instead when you tell her make you give you work, you say motor car. Person will never get work. They talk about motor.
Hey, if you get motor, I don't carry passenger. Don't be work with that. What's your problem?
Not true.
I say motor car.
Not true. I trust him. He go do.
She's nice man.
But make you know.
No problem. So I go. Play this one.
Come. I forgot to say.
What's happening again? She don't expect more. She time maker. She time cheaper.
The thing I want to tell you before you even talk on this one. About the house where my sister carry give you.
Oh, that's the house. It's okay, no problem. It's okay.
Yeah, I beg, make you know. Make no.
If you want to show me, go carry your sister house.
No, be like
go
that.
Carry your sister house. I get appointment.
I don't want make you spoil yourself.
I will spoil myself. If your sister house, go take your sister house. I don't get problem.
No, be like that. I know this. I don't tell you.
I want to go share Abiodun Moshish. He said 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Okay, I don't
waste my time.
No spoil
my appointment. No
verse.
No spoil my appointment.
Okay. I be this after now. You know agree make I talk. If you reach grand, we will call you.
Chinchi.
Hey,
Chinchi.
Agadagus.
You don't shy?
Look at this kid. Come in.
Chinchi, how are you? No, that's not shy. Huh?
I said come inside now.
That's what you because I said the
Chinchi, how are you?
I said, they call me Chinchi. They call me Chinchi.
What's wrong with that? Why?
You know the meaning of Chinchi for Igbo?
What's the meaning of Chinchi?
Bed bug.
You believe you didn't have bed down? Chinchi.
Not with Chinchi.
Okay.
Chi.
Oh, Chi. What's up with that one? Chi, what is Chi?
I'm Chi.
Oh!
Chi.
Hey, you're Chinyere.
Yes.
Okay, I don't say be Chinyere, I say Chinchi. Okay, I don't come. Okay, how about our arrangement? How far?
Fine.
Yeah?
Now you never do something now.
3 years, yes.
3 years.
3 years. You agree?
I agree.
Oh, you agree?
I agree. Hey, Oduduwa.
What's your name? Chinyere.
Chinyere.
Chinyere. Your husband name?
If you let my husband name, now you know.
Okay. 3 years. 3 years.
3 years.
Take your shit. Kid, 3 years. 3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
Yes. Hey. I don't do this.
So how far? Yeah. Tinyere, just touch me for here. I mean, here. No, not here. No, not here.
3 years.
3 years. 3 years. 3 years. Sit down, na 3 years. You see, if you say yes, this man, leave him. You don't get money.
Okay.
You just give. Who don't get money? Yeah. Who don't get money? Me. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Nothing we come here to do.
Yes.
Now, I do like from 1, 2, do like from 1, 2, do like from 1, 2, do like from 3, 4, do like from 3, 4, do like from.
I do. I'm very sorry, sir.
Wait.
I'm very sorry, sir.
Wait.
I'm very
I
sorry,
don't
sir.
know what to call yourself.
Yeah.
And that caretaker, be caretaker, mathematics.
My mother.
Now, tell me, how do you like to die?
No, I don't
You want to like to die? You like to die like human being, or you like to die like animal?
I'm sorry. I don't die. I'm sorry.
Now, so teaching. Today is the last day of you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Yeah, my God. You will not be. You will not be. You will not be. I will deal with punish you. You know who punish you. Walk your back. Yeah, nigga. I say me now, put that you. Sit down, nigga. Who will punish you? Won't kill my papa. Won't kill me. No. I will push you. Say Oga Caretaker.
Oga Caretaker.
Oga Caretaker. Amen.
What are you doing?
I am jumping.
What are you doing?
I am jumping.
Jumping.
I am jumping.
What are you doing?
I am jumping. You, Jerry, I'll make sure I kill him today.
My husband. Mama, see my necklace.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, wait for me. Wait, don't wait for me.
Yeah.
Anywhere I catch you, I'll make sure I pieces you, slice you like shit. This one another paparanda square. This are coming to try you. I've been another statue. Hey! This one they put battery for your oh yeah, like this. Man, leave with your car. This is what government do here. Female person lazy. The person why they pursue, they go, you see, huh? May I leave you? The serious business will carry me, they come.
If I catch that man, anywhere I catch him, I will just kill him. BCC. Yeah! Julio! Yeah! Ah! Julio! Oh, Yolana! Oh, Yola! Oh, Yolana! Oh, Yolana! Ah! Yeah! As I'm coming from where I go. Yeah! She said that I come like this. She said I come like this. I come to the center. They try to carry the ball. All of them go from my head. They go shake me. Yeah, two trailer. One hit me for here. One hit me for here. One a daft. One a T3. They go shake me. If you have carry load for food like this, they're not very big. Yeah. Yeah, my body, they pay me. They pay me. Yeah. Yeah. The trailer. Wallahi, I think I go somewhere there, they come back. I just see trailer for those. One they come like this. I go for center. They want a T3 carrying no plate from front, that's so big. You want to just hit me, all them go for my head. Yeah. Yeah, it's spending me. It's spending me seriously. Yeah, it's spending me. No, it go pay you more than that. Now, trainer choo. Yeah. I will just start.
What happened?
I'll start from you. Are you?
What happened?
Are you?
It's my in-law.
Well.
What is the problem?
There's no room for explanation. I am now for action. If you don't need to kill him, give me his head.
No, I beg.
Never did like that. He's my in-law. Please. Please, don't kill him. What is the problem? Explain. Please.
He's not fit to be your in-law.
This is my junior sister. I don't want her to be with you. Please, what happened?
Come. This man, he is not just a murderer or an adulterer. He wanted to murder me after his attempt to adulterate, he was kissing my wife.
Your own wife?
In my parlor. Make kiss your wife. Make kiss your wife. Make kiss your wife. Kiss your wife. Make kiss your wife. It's a lie. Yeah. It's a lie. Make kiss your wife. Oh.
Sorry, yeah.
Don't be because I'm
Sorry.
Tọ́ ọlọ́jọ́ lónìí mo tuntun jíire hàn mo ti jíire lónìí o mo jíire o ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi
Pam.
ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi jíire àmì àní àjà
Papa yẹ.
Ta ni o lè ha ẹ.
Na wi o ya.
Ẹ̀yin ha ẹ èmi ẹnu.
Na wi o.
Ẹ wọlé.
Ah ya. Good day ya. Good day o. How do they o? Well done ya. Well ya. Esme ya.
Welcome. From where?
We from that next village.
Nearby here.
Nearby, yeah.
Now we hear your story. Let make you come our place.
Okay.
We don't hear say anybody will come here. It is smile come out for your house.
Okay.
And we to go smile. I must see us. We don't get money. Now poverty warriors. We poor past church rat. Me and my friend.
I swear. No be only church rat. We dey even chopper. We dey no be poverty. Only poverty self. Now die self.
So now, mama, what do we want? We say how we take get money. The money we need. Money.
Ọlọ́jọ́.
May we get money plenty.
Oh, fẹ́ ní owó.
Yes.
No be small one.
Okay. Kó orúkọ rẹ̀ lù wọ́, wetin be your name?
My name is Dagus.
Dangus.
Yes, Dagus.
When did they hear am for Surano?
Na so.
Liberia.
Na so.
Somalia.
Na the same Dagus.
Ghana.
Na the same Dagus.
Hey! I know you today, ba?
Yes, I could.
Even Ethiopia.
Yes.
Ethiopia, ba?
Na Dagus.
Senegal, sir.
But no money.
No money.
No money.
You go get money.
Eh?
So now, I want to show you how you want to take that money. If not like that, I want you to see up here. See up. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi o, ẹ̀yà o, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fi ilé ayé mọ̀nyà àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé, ó yá. Anybody you see there, na you go take and do what?
Mama, this is my wife.
I don't tell you before.
God help me. Make my husband get money. Make he get better work. Make he see to chop. Make he see to wear. Make he remain for him pocket. God help me. Make he change him ways. All the yama thing wey they do, God help me. Make he no do am again. God help me. If he get better work, he go take care of me. God, I beg you. Help me. Help me. God. Help me.
Now here I won't use for you.
Mama, I don't want. Leave my wife as she did.
Do it now.
Church, they pay for me. A good man like this, I know the use.
No one.
I shall know the use.
Okay. If you not do it, you won't die for property.
Mama, do you want to say?
Okay.
You don't do your wife for ritual.
I know what do am.
Okay, now.
Hey,
Continue my own.
what's be your name?
My name na Pai.
Apai. Only orúkọ wọn Apai. Orúkọ wọn Apai fún ìjẹ. Orúkọ wọn rí pa. So now let me check it. I want you to see korokoro.
Carry go.
Hey, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi. Ẹ̀yin lẹ nílé ayé tá a bá fọmọ lójú àmà ríran ni. Ó yẹlà. Ó yẹlà. Ó yẹlà. Ó yá o.
Ha! Oni yeye, oni dirty, onoro TV. Useless man. How I wish I can kill you. Emokawa say mekehin. Muria home.
Me.
You my wife.
Now you be idiot. See yourself. Not be me they talk self. Now you. See, let me tell you, I just gonna dark too boko. Ella. I tell you, now you are going to carry do ritual. Nothing go for me.
Your wife.
Continue my work. Do am. Carry
Abai.
See, you even they insult me, sir.
I will do it for you.
Oh, okay.
You will get the money.
Thank you.
The money go come.
Carry go.
Ọlọ́jọ́ lónìí o. Ìmọ̀mọ́ kìnìún inú bí àgbẹ̀kọ àpàyè. Ọyẹ ẹlẹ́dàá ìyàwó rẹ̀ kàfẹ́ ń sógun báyìí. Ẹlẹ́dàá ìyàwó rẹ̀ òun mọ́ ni. Tó ọkàn ìyàwó àpàyè kìlì inú bí àfẹ́ ń sógun owó báyìí. Ìfẹ́ gbẹ̀kọ àpàyè. So the heart of àpàyè wife na im dey here. I wan give àpàyè now. I wan make it turn to mate billionaire. Na be this o. Ẹ̀yin ìyá o. Ore o. Apai. Everything done ready.
Thank you.
Take. I said take. For your information. This your heart of your wife. But if you don't sleep, where you this, watch her well, make it sleep. If you don't sleep, put her for her head.
Eh? Her head?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't allow this boat touch ground.
Make it
if
touch
you
ground.
touch ground, you will run mental.
Eh?
You will run mental. And nobody for this life where we save you, you must run mental.
Hey!
No be.
Abai, listen to me. They say this thing when they give you, make it no touch ground. They say if you touch ground, you go crazy.
Yes.
They say you put it with your wife, and your wife will touch money.
Yes.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Make you no do am.
Forget that one,
I
sir.
bet.
Who know the craze na me? I be na she.
Now you sabi. Maybe they don't carry.
No be me the craze. Na she where they insult me. Na she the craze. No be you. Make it hear as the mama talk. No be me the craze. Na my wife. I don't talk am.
But if you money settle me.
Abai.
Money. See, make I tell you, sir, that one is nonsense. If money come, no be only money I go come give you. If I no buy how much you give me, no be my mama money. I pray.
How much you? What will give me?
You. Dagus, if I give you 5 naira, make you God punish me.
Why? Is it me not touch ground, no? Me not touch ground, no?
Forget that.
Me not touch ground, no?
I say forget. Churuga. God go bless you. I go carry him. Come put him for my wife.
Okay.
Maybe that one.
Apai. Me not touch ground, no?
They go.
God bless you.
Okay.
Yahweh Churuga.
Apai.
God bless you.
Apai.
I don't talk about
This man go suffer. You go suffer. Let's say no fit carry one. Hey! He don't enter wahala.
Let's go.
He go suffer.
Forget
This
that
man.
one.
Let's go.
Hey! This man. It is an amumu the person where he do. Okay. No wahala. Ebiniyo.
Mani leda madame wana shangane me wa mane oda. Ubikala bahile vetu isoni sipa onedeba.
Apai, I like this your music. I want to hear them.
Isoni sipa onedeba. Ishalu na yeta amona na sha onedeba. Don't worry, I will tell you the meaning.
Tell me the meaning.
The meaning is this here. You say may person raise you up. You can't give am stool. Say may the person use am up. The person can't carry leg.
Why should I do that?
The problem is how the person go come down again.
Hey.
No be madness.
Madness.
Hey.
People like this, what can be called? Hey, my wife. I want to tell you a secret. And this secret, it look like what they talk now. Your husband, Apai, me and he yesterday.
Wait. Some of them, what happened to my husband? I love my husband, dude.
You don't love you.
No talk so. Because my husband be lazy man. That's why he say he don't love me. He love me well.
It's a serious matter. It's a serious matter. Me and I go about it yesterday. He say want to do marriage for money. And they say now you make it take you do money.
Wait. But you know I never born. Maybe my husband won't beg herbalist, may give me medicine.
Me and him go. He say want to do money. Yes.
So now me want you to do money.
Say they want you.
Hey.
So see, I want to say they give a shot to say make you carry come house. If you don't sleep in the night, make you put up for your head. No sleep, oh.
I don't die.
And they try and say that thing, make you not touch ground. So immediately grip and make sure say that thing touch ground. If you touch ground, I go mad. So if you sleep, no sleep, oh. If you sleep danger. If you come house, you are 12 open. No sleep, oh. He say if you sleep, make everything put for your head. Immediately that thing touch your head, you touch tomorrow automatically. So no sleep.
But you mean my husband? You want to use me?
I swear to Allah.
Ritual.
I say I take Allah swear. They say la ana to lie in me the kazibu. I know they lie yo. I'm serious yo.
I beg which day go do am? Which day?
No, this night.
This night. Okay.
No sleep oh.
No go sleep.
No sleep oh.
Thank you very much.
If you mistakenly sleep, amen. Amen. Amen.
Thank you very much.
I don't know what you talk.
No, I dey pray for you. I say God will always be at your side.
Thank you. So if you mistakenly sleep, yeah. You are talking money.
Turn to money.
So no sleep.
God forbid.
And make sure say that thing touch ground. If you don't touch ground, you don't run mad.
Okay.
So make sure say you touch ground. Yeah, me ba?
Okay.
We will show where we spend the money. We will show you take care of the money.
Thank you.
I don't tell you.
Thank you.
I don't tell you.
Thank you.
No do mistake, oh.
Thank you.
No shall I tell you.
No.
No shall I tell you. Chi.
Nobody go hear. Yeah. So na life be this or vami. My husband, when I love and he prove and say he love me too, he want to use me for money. This man he go chop shit. I go deal with him. Let me find out first. I no go even plug this thing again. Man, carry my wallet.
Waiting now.
Eh?
Why? Why they think of why they don't do like this?
Nothing.
You just say nothing there.
Me Kenny, nothing.
Call me. Waiting they happen. You say wait.
Okay. I dey feel it.
Feel it?
If
you dey feel it, make you go inside now. Make I open window for you.
Never don't carry light. That's why I'm here.
You know say that back window, it be like say AC. If I open am now, go feel free. Make you go inside, go sleep now.
Thank you, my husband. This way I want to stay. Please, never me here.
Never me here. You no go inside. I'll take you. Kelolu. When you go inside, go sleep at the top. Now you are the top. I will make I bring something for you. Make for outside.
Mr. Husband, why are you disturbing me? I say it's here I want to stay.
This one no be matter of disturb at the talk. This one now love matter at the talk. As you dey outside like this, you know say they done that already. Make you go inside now. You no go inside? Okay, make I bring you my trash for outside for you.
Bring them.
Well, what did they happen now?
Nothing.
Eh?
I say nothing.
You sure say nothing? Get up, make I put my trash for you here. This thing where you no come go inside today, I no understand. You no go inside. Now, make you sit down. Make you lie down.
Thank you.
Why you talk one day, gara?
I beg, it's okay. Don't disturb me. You hear? I want to sleep. Thank you. I've got one, man.
About one man. If you want to put yourself outside, make you lie down now. But if mosquito the battery, not be me. But make you sleep. Make you sleep. You say they sleep, your eyes they open. I sleep now, you do sleep now. If you want sleep, sleep.
So it's true.
Leave it, Abel.
So it's true.
Don't.
So it's true. You want to use me for money? You are a wicked man.
Now the part of life.
You are a wicked man.
See, no.
You are a wicked man.
How now? Darling, no be my only wife.
Don't punish you if you ever call me your darling. What you must say?
What happened? Punish me now, what happened? What happened?
Now love you they talk.
Which kind love?
How come she can't know? How come she can't know?
What did you know?
Make no touch her, no. Make no touch her, no.
Thank you, God bless you. God bless you, thank you. God will bless your family and more.
I don't tell you. Hey, Apayi.
God will bless you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hey, Apayi, is she a chef?
Money?
Is she a chef?
Money?
I don't go my house, yo.
God bless you. God will bless you.
Hey,
wicked man. So, upon which I dey do for you, still get mine to use me.
Money
to use me to ritual.
will say 1 million, 2 million, 5 million in naira.
Wicked person. Wicked man.
No.
God will punish you.
Hey.
God will punish you. God will punish you.
Money, make money come. Make money come. Money.
God will help your family. God will help your family. I thank you very much.
Money.
God.
Money.
This man.
Million in naira.
You want to use
Million, 1 million, 2 million. Today I go spend money. Everybody I go spend them.
Hey,
I go tell you.
People are wicked, you.
Duru, money.
People are wicked.
See money where they. We love you, we love you. You go spend money. Money there outside, you go spend them.
Just go, wicked man.
I do. I go spend money. Go spend the money.
Just go.
I go spend money. Money there outside, I go spend them. And they tell you, I don't go spend money. 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, I go spend them. I go come back. Make a day come back. 1 million.
Oh God. If not be Dagus, this man will just finish my life. Oh God, thank you. Praise be to you, God. I thank you very much. Dagus, thank you. Oh. Hey.